We now move to conditional statements, starting with a simple if statement. I include the IOStream library and use the standard namespace. Then I declare two float variables, a and b, which I will compare. Inside the main function, I ask the user to enter two real values. After reading them, I check if A is greater than B. If that condition is true, the program prints that A is greater than B. At this point, the program only handles the case where A is larger than B. Next, I extend the program by adding an else branch. The structure of the program is the same, but now, after checking if A is greater than B, I add an else statement. If the condition is false, the program prints that A is less than or equal to B. This way, both possible outcomes are covered. Now I refine the logic further by adding an else-if branch. Once again, I read the values of A and B from the user. If A is greater than B, I print that A is greater than B. Otherwise, I check a second condition, if A is equal to B. In that case, the program prints that A equals B. Finally, if neither condition is true, then A must be less than B, so the else branch prints that A is smaller than B. With this structure, all three comparisons are handled explicitly. I can also introduce a constant named condition. Before performing the comparisons between A and B, I check whether condition is true. If it is, then I proceed with the same logic as before, checking if A is greater than, equal to, or less than B. By wrapping the comparison logic inside another if statement, I demonstrate how conditional code can be controlled by constants or flags. This technique is helpful during debugging your code or when you just want to omit a part of your code without deleting it, because maybe later you will use that part of the code again. I can extend the program further by adding an if statement inside another if. If A is greater than B, I print that A is greater. Then I immediately check an additional condition, whether A is not equal to 0. If A is different from 0, the program prints a note saying that A is not 0. Otherwise, it prints that A equals 0. This demonstrates the idea of nesting one if statement inside another, which allows us to build more complex logical structures. The other cases, when A equals B or when A is less than B, remain the same as before.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.